Hello learners, welcome to my channel Codeater Academy. Today we will learn how to download Maven and path settings of Maven. Open an official website of Maven. Click on Downloads and now download binary zip archive. Go to your folder and extract the downloaded Maven zip file. After extraction we have folder. Copy this folder and paste it in your desired location of your computer. I am keeping this in my C drive. Now go to inside the folder and copy the path as I am doing. After copy the path, go to your system environment variables settings and edit the path variable. Click on New and paste the copied path here. Click OK and OK and OK. Now Maven path has been set successfully. Open command prompt and check the Maven version which we installed in system. Congratulations, we have done it in correct way. To see more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Like and share the videos with your friends. Give like and do more comments which type of content you want to learn. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.